Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable and how to use the sidebar in this device. Okay, so in this device I already enabled the sidebar. So here you can see a Y line, you can see here. Just swipe inverse the line, you can see some applications and options you can see here. So let me show you how to enable this one. Simply go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option gestures. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option sidebar. So here we need to enable this one. Okay, if you want to know how to use this one, then tap on the option learn more. Just swipe inverse the sidebar. Then if you want to customize the sidebar, then here you can see one settings icon. Just tap on this one. So here you can add any application to a sidebar, and also you can easily remove the application from the sidebar also. So if you want to remove that drive application, just tap on the minus symbol simply. So if you want to add the Instagram to the sidebar, just tap on this one. If you scroll down here, you can see Instagram is added. So if you want to add the WhatsApp, now you can see WhatsApp is also added. So here you can see the option tools. Tap on this one. Then these tools you can add to this one. Already the screenshot tool is added. So in case if you want to add the screen recorder, just tap on this one. Here you can see. Same this way you can add the contact also. So you can see the vacant spaces, this much of applications or tools contact you can add to sidebar. Now go back again, I will show you. If you swipe down, now you can see WhatsApp, Instagram, screen recorder. So after open the sidebar, if you tap on any application, it will open as a floating window. Let me show you. So here I am going to open the Facebook. Now you can see this floating window. So here I am going to open the calculator. Now you can see floating window. So simply in this way you can enable and use the sidebar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.